What if the future of mobile technology is in your pocket right now and it folds? Yes, we're talking about foldable phones. The concept of foldable phones, once a mere fantasy, has now started to take shape in the realm of reality. These innovative devices with their flexible screens and compact design are poised to revolutionize the way we perceive and use mobile technology. Imagine the convenience of a large tablet-sized screen that can be folded down to fit snugly into your pocket. This is the promise of foldable phones, combining the best of both worlds, the portability of a phone and the immersive experience of a tablet. And it's not just about the cool factor. This technology holds immense potential for enhancing user experience with multitasking capabilities, immersive gaming, and better content consumption. As the popularity of these folding marvels grows, tech giants like Apple and Google are eagerly stepping into the foldable phone arena. With tech giants like Apple and Google jumping on the foldable phone bandwagon, the future of mobile tech seems to be unfolding right before our eyes. Now, let's dive into the world of Apple's rumored foldable phone. Whispers have been circulating around the tech world about Apple's clandestine project, a foldable phone. The information has reported that the tech giant is indeed exploring this new frontier. However, it's crucial to remember that this device may not see the light of day anytime soon, if at all. The mystery surrounding this project is as intriguing as the product itself. So, what do we know about this elusive foldable phone? In truth, very little. No firm details have emerged about the device's design or functionality. It's like trying to catch a glimpse of a unicorn in the wild. The only hint we have is that Apple had initially considered creating a foldable iPad. Imagine that, an iPad that you can fold and tuck away in your pocket. Despite this lack of concrete information, it's an open secret that Apple is working on some sort of foldable device. The company has a history of taking an existing product category and revolutionizing it. Remember when smartphones were just for calls and texts? Then came the iPhone, and the rest is history. Now it seems like Apple is setting its sights on the foldable phone market. However, it's not just about creating a new product, it's about redefining a product category. This is where Apple excels. They don't just make gadgets, they create experiences. And if anyone can turn the concept of a foldable phone into something extraordinary, it's Apple. Yet, it's also important to temper our expectations. After all, this is all conjecture at this point. We don't even know if this foldable phone will ever make it to production. But one thing is certain. If Apple does decide to enter this market, it will undoubtedly be a game changer. So while we wait for more information to trickle out, we can only speculate about what Apple's foldable phone might look like and how it might work. One thing's for sure though, if it does happen, it's going to be nothing short of revolutionary. While the details remain sketchy, one thing is clear. Apple's entry into the foldable phone market could be a game changer. On the other hand, the rumors about Google's next foldable phone, the Pixel Fold 2, are more concrete. Now, let's delve into the world of leaks and speculations surrounding this highly anticipated device. The collective tech world has been abuzz with tidbits of information seeping out from various corners, and while nothing is set in stone, these leaks provide a tantalizing glimpse into Google's plans for the future of foldable phones. One of the most talked about aspects of the rumored Pixel Fold 2 is its form factor. Reports suggest a notably different design compared to its predecessor, with a narrower, squarer build. This could potentially offer a more compact and user-friendly experience, maintaining the allure of a sizable display while ensuring the device fits comfortably in your hand or pocket. Another point of interest lies in the potential redesign of the rear camera bar. While the specifics remain a mystery, any changes to the camera setup could significantly impact the device's photographic capabilities. It's an exciting prospect, especially considering the high bar set by Google's previous phones in terms of camera performance. Now let's talk about the heart of the device, the processor. There's chatter that Google might replace its Tensor G3 chip with the yet-to-be-announced G4 processor. This leap could mean more power, better performance, and smoother user experience. Coupled with a rumored starting point of 16 gigabytes of RAM, the Pixel Fold 2 is poised to be a powerhouse, providing the muscle to match its innovative design. It's crucial to remember, however, that these are all speculations. While they give us an idea of what to expect, we won't know for sure until Google makes an official announcement. But one thing is certain, the tech world will be watching closely. Though these are still rumors, the Pixel Fold 2 is shaping up to be a fascinating addition to the foldable phone market. With its potential upgrades in design, camera, and performance, it's clear that Google is not just following trends but aiming to set new ones. and we, as tech enthusiasts, can't wait to see what they come up with next. So, how do these two tech giants stack up in the foldable phone arena? Let's break it down. Starting with Apple, the details remain shrouded in mystery. What we do know is that Apple has a knack for reinventing product categories. When they do finally unveil their foldable phone, or potentially a foldable iPad, we can anticipate a product that will push the boundaries of design and functionality. While the lack of information can be frustrating, it also adds an element of suspense to the whole affair. On the flip side, Google's Pixel Fold 2 is stirring up quite the buzz. Leaks suggest a refreshed form factor, a redesign of the rear camera bar, and a potential chip upgrade. If these speculations hold true, Google's foldable phone could bring a new dynamic to the market with its narrower, squarer build. However, it's not all about the hardware. The software experience, which is a strong suit for both Apple and Google, will be a crucial factor in this showdown. Apple's seamless iOS ecosystem against Google's flexible and customizable Android platform presents an interesting dichotomy. In terms of innovation, both companies have shown they're not afraid to experiment. Google's Tensor G4 chip and Apple's potential foldable iPad hint at the exciting possibilities in the foldable phone sector. Regardless of which tech giant comes out on top, the real winners in this foldable phone showdown will be us, the consumers. As we wait for more leaks and official announcements, the anticipation continues to build. In this unfolding saga of foldable phones, we've delved into Apple's mysterious foldable, Google's possible Pixel Fold 2 redesign, and the inevitable showdown that looms. It's a thrilling time in the tech world, isn't it? If you're keen on staying updated, do subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more exciting tech news, and remember, the future of mobile tech might just be foldable. Thanks for watching.